Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we will be taking a look into Ethereum. We will be doing some price analysis and have a look at some of the key stats. I do think that we're on the verge of something big happening across the crypto markets, potentially an alt season breaking out. So we just need to have a look at Ethereum, and also we'll have a look at the BTC market dominance to see where that's laying. First up, please make sure you do hit that like button. You are subscribed to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's get started. Ethereum, which is ticker ETH, is currently ranked number 2 out of all cryptocurrencies, and we have a coin price today of $727. We are 12% up on today's trading. This is one of the main reasons I'm looking into Ethereum, because I'm hoping that Ethereum can break out soon and lead that alt season charge. So we'll have a look at the USDT pair, and then we'll have a look at the BTC pair, which has been absolutely annihilated recently due to the BTC highs. We do have a total supply of 114 million Ethereum, all of them in circulation. We're getting a 24-hour volume of just shy of $30 billion, and the market cap is $82.6 billion. If you look at market pairs where we're getting predominantly most of that trading, if it loads, there we go. I mean, it's going to be widely spread. Binance is getting a fair chunk, you'll see around 15% against all pairs. Huobi, if you're looking to get a hold of Ethereum, it's pretty much on any cryptocurrency platform. So it's one of the most easy assets, similar to Bitcoin and XRP to get hold of. If we just take a quick look at all-time highs before charts, that was back in January the 13th, 2018. We did hit $1,432. We're currently pretty much 100% moved from that now. So, I mean, it is very likely that we're going to target those highs, in my opinion, over the next 2 to 3 months, as long as we do start to get a good push. I think Bitcoin has had its time now. We're at $27,000, close to $28,000. So, I do think that it is time for BTC to take a chill pill and get some money pushing salts and ignite that all season. But let's have a look at the charts and see what's going on over there. First up, I just want to start on the BTC market dominance chart, because this is what we saw last time we had an alt season, and that was back in 2017. If you look, the dominance shot up to 71.3, and then we had a massive dump over the course of around 6 weeks down to, what did we get, 30, you could call that 35% of the market. So that's what we're looking for. Again, if we just copy and clone that box and push it over to this side, we have hit highs of 72.18% in market dominance. So what I'm looking for now is a very similar move to what happened last alt season. I do not want it to be as severe, but I will take it. But I'm looking for a more drawn out period. I mean, if you look at this box, this goes to May, really. I could extend that up to around June. I'm looking for a nice, steady decrease in market dominance, and hopefully altcoins can push. And I do think that Ethereum will lead the charge. So we have hit those highs, as you can see, every time we've been up into these areas. If we just mark them up as a box around these areas, every time we've been in around that area, we have sunk. So the potential is that it's going to happen again, and I hope it happens again, because it's been a long time. I mean, this has been BTC's day ever since January 18th. Look at BTC market dominance, just continually climbing and climbing. So we do want to see a drop in that, and hopefully we can get that soon. So that's a dominance. I want to start off by looking at Ethereum BTC pair. It has been absolutely savaged over the course of pretty much since 2018 when we hit those highs, and it's been pretty much down always since. We did make a good rise up, but we have hit yearly highs yesterday. I think we hit around 700 and, well, look, actually a second there, $741, I think, but we'll look at that in a second. So we have hit those yearly highs, and I do think that it is time for Ethereum to start pushing. It has been quite steady away this year. It has made some good rises. It was down $89 at one point this year, so there's nothing to say that it's not done a major move, but I think nothing parabolic has happened yet across Ethereum, like as with BTC. As you've seen over the last course of the last week and a half, we've shot from $20,000 up all the way up to $28,000, so a lot of money has been pushing that. BTC may have topped out, so we just need to monitor. If you look at BTC, we've shot all the way up to 28,400, and it has reclined. Now, what I want to do is see it potentially drop down to this area at $24,000 and just go sideways across there. And a stable Bitcoin is a good Bitcoin for altcoins, so that's what we want to happen there. If you just look into Ethereum here on the BTC chart, we have on the weekly time frame, you could see this trend is what we need to break. I mean, you could manipulate this a little bit to make it suit, but we do need to break out of this area. Once we break out of this area, I do think it's guns away, and Ethereum BTC still will start pumping. But this very much to me looks like we have bottomed out. That wick, if you look all the way across, we've traded in that area quite a few times. If you take it all the way back to that wick, I mean, if you look at this and mark this as a horizontal ray from this wick here, right on that, look at that, we're pretty much bounced off that there. That was the last alt season in December. Boom, shut up. Look at this, we've pretty much hit the same area again. Boom, I do think it's going to break out from here. If you look at that, you could say it's a triangle pattern and then a couple of sideways movements and pop. I think it's going to break out. So that is a Ethereum BTC pair. That is primed to go, in my opinion. I mean, that is very, very similar to what happened in 2017. So that's a good area to target there, and we have targeted it again. So let's get up there and start pushing. So that's Ethereum. I'm not going to give any price levels because I'm just going to monitor it. I'm going to do a price analysis mainly on Ethereum USDT. As you can see, if you zoom right out, I've got the all-time highs marked up, and I've got some weekly levels which are purple, monthly are blue, and then I've got a couple of daily down here, but we'll just drop right down into daily. As I said earlier on, from March, we've had a good run really from, what did we hit, $89? Yeah, so if you look at it as a price perspective from then, from that lows down at $89 up to the yearly highs, we've done a 722%, so you can say, wow, has it had its run? I don't think it's had its run. I think it's just been a gradual rise with increasing people coming to the space. What we need to do now is have a look at some higher levels to target, because I do think it's, like I say, that BTC pair breakout soon, and it's obviously going to slingshot the USDT pair too, with dominance dropping, of course, of BTC. So we have rejected off this weekly level at $741. If you're looking to invest in this, then to be honest, anywhere within this region, I can't see us dropping back down to these levels, to be honest. So if you just, let's just drop right into the 4-hour time frame and have a look at a potential investment opportunity. We'll just put the Fibonacci on it here. And we will take the beginning of this move here, and actually no, we're going to take a beginning move there, up to that spike. If you're looking to get an investment opportunity, have some orders in here. At this level, at the 382 level, and then we'll just copy that. And also some levels at the 618 level, if the market does allow. Depends how bullish we are. If we do push on and break a daily candle above this level today, then I think that we're going to target that next level at $786. But in the short term, if you're looking to invest, I would have some orders in potentially at these levels, at the 382 level and the 618 level. So they have $668 and $696. I mean, we're currently set at 728, so you might be lucky to get an order in there, but just monitor it. If we do close the daily candle above here, then you can obviously look at placing orders on this support level at 741, but we need to monitor today's candle. So that is some areas to buy in. Let's get rid of that. If we do break a daily candle above here, then the next level to target to is to go over is $786. If you're looking to invest, then have some orders in here if we do close the daily candle above there. So just monitor that. Once we do break $786, then the next level is $876, and that is a big level there of monthly resistance. If you look all the way and zoom out, we're not a million miles from all-time highs. If we just put that as a price percentage, it's going to be around 100%, I'd say. We'll do it from that weekly level up to all-time highs. You could say that's 92%. So that's, I mean, you might think, wow, that looks a major move, but like I said before in any of my videos, anything can happen in cryptocurrency. Things can move in 100%, and it's not unheard of that. So just monitor it. But I'm not going to say that's going to shoot up 100% in one move. I do think it's going to be a nice gradual increase, and you will get some further investment opportunities up here and some take profit levels. I do not have any daily levels in between here and here. But once we do start pushing up and we do break a daily candle above $876, I will jump into some further analysis and mark up some other key levels and to target, and some more investment levels to look at there. If we just put the Hitman on, the Hitman works out when there's a shifting market, and then I'll drop back to a daily. The Hitman is bullish, and we have been bullish since the 12th of October, as you can see. This indicator works on long time frame swings, so as you can see we get a bearish indicator and a bullish indicator. That is set up to my settings, so you can change your sensitivity. You can do pretty much what you want with it. You could have it on the hourly time frame, even 15 minutes if you wanted, but I prefer long swing trades, so you can see we was bearish there, we dropped down, and now we're bullish. I'm expecting us to remain bullish for a long time now. Obviously we will get some dips. It is not uncommon that we get good solid 30% retracements on the way up, so if you're holding and you get a good investment, don't shit your pants and sell on a 30% drop unless you are looking to accumulate. If you're investing in this, then just hodl, and that is the best thing to do in cryptocurrency. That's what I've done for the last 3 years. Just hodl and your bags will increase daily. One thing to point out as well, once we do start reaching some highs in Ethereum, monitor the BTC dominance chart, because what we are looking for, just zoom out a bit, what we're looking for is dominance to drop below here. Once we do see a level and it bounces back up, that could be a good time to sell alts into BTC and then ride the BTC wave up, and then vice versa. Just keep doing that. That is the best thing to do in altcoin seasons. Obviously you hold altcoins here and then you hold BTC here, so that is the best thing to do. I think that's going to do it for today's analysis. Like I say, monitor the price on today's daily closure. If we do close above this, then I have some orders in at $740. Once we do close a daily candle above $876, I will do some further analysis and mark up some key levels. Hopefully I revisit this video again over the course of the next week or two, because I'm getting prepared for a big push on alts. And yeah, that's going to do it for today then. So please make sure you do like this video, that you do subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.